Hello fruit lovers, Ian here, still at Cressing Barn, and here is the equipment barn. Not sure how old this is. This has a thatched roof. Look at this, back in the day they used to have horses working this, helping them out. Didn't have any mechanical stuff. Then come along, look at this old wagon here, ploughs, fertilizer distributors. It's got easier and easier. It's amazing that they managed to keep these machines here. They didn't get destroyed. Now everybody wants everything easier and easier. It's a winnowing machine. The other video we saw the guy threshing the wheat by hand. Look at that, lovely old, it's like some sort of, I don't know what sort of van that is, almost looks like a French van underneath there. In here, it's where they used to keep the horses. Shame we haven't got any Shire horses here. The ploughs are in here. The stables. There's a nice, look at that. There's an idea for someone that wants to make some sort of water barrel. So that was probably used for the horses to drink out of. Amazing craft work. I don't know how old that is, but look at this place. Look at that doorstep. Think how many people have walked over that doorstep. In here, a little bit dark. The ploughs need a bit of light on this subject. What's the step going on here? Okay. That's me ended up here at Cressing Farm. I'm going to check out what this amazing van is. See if I like this. Well, let me just go over there, see, otherwise there might be someone that's interested. This looks like this is a thatching ladder. Oh my goodness, look how big that is. I guess it had to reach up into the, yeah, it's got to be able to reach up into the top of the thing. There's some big old ladders. Big old ladders. Not like you could take that one home, is it? I guess, oh look, you can take it apart. It comes apart in sections. One section, two sections. Even the three sections is still massive. And then this blue one, that's pretty much one piece. Couple pieces of timber. That's a big old ladders. Let's have a look. Yep, it is. Look at that. Oh, that's a Citroen. Look at that. You can't. I knew it was a French van. Oh well. Okay, beautiful place. Enjoyed coming here. We've got to go and pick up my wife and mother-in-law. Go and have some English food for lunch. Visit a couple of pubs. Perfect life except for the temperature. Bye. Morning. Morning. How you doing? You got the best, nice job in here. Woo. Oh, I know. My fingers are about to drop off. Morning, how you doing?